So, have you heard about the AI company Anthropic? You probably have, but what you might not know is why it's suddenly become so incredibly valuable. The reason is pretty simple, actually. Claude is not just a chatbot anymore, not even close. With all these new updates, we're talking scheduled tasks, skills, plugins. It is quietly turned into this massive, full-scale ecosystem. So in this explainer, we're going to break down all these major updates and show you exactly how you can start using them. Yep, you are seeing that number correctly. $380 billion. That is Anthropic's valuation right now. To put that in perspective, that's more than the entire economy of some countries. It's a mind-boggling number for a company that most people think just makes a chatbot. It shows you that the smart money is betting on this whole new ecosystem model.
So that begs the big question, right? How on earth does a chatbot get to be worth that much money? Well, the answer is, it's stopped being just a chatbot. It's evolved into something way, way bigger. A fully integrated platform for your work, for automation, and even for software development.
Okay, quick pro tip before we dive into the nitty-gritty. You can use Claude in two ways, through a web browser or with the desktop app. My strong recommendation? Just download the desktop app. Trust me, the speed, the features, the whole experience, it's just so much better. It's a no-brainer.
All right, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to unpack what Claude has become using a really simple metaphor. Then we'll get into its awesome automation features, take a look at some cool new stuff for developers, and wrap up by seeing how Claude is showing up in the apps you use every single day. Let's do this. To really get a handle on what Claude is now, forget all the technical jargon for a second. We're going to think about it like a three-level cake. This simple idea is the absolute key to understanding how all these new features click together to create something much bigger than just a chat window. So, the base of our cake, the first layer, is something called connectors. This is where everything starts. Connectors are what let Claude break out of its box and plug directly into the apps you already use. We're talking about the basics like Google Calendar and Gmail, sure, but also the heavy hitters, Stripe, Figma, Slack, Canva. You just log in once, give it permission, and bam! Claude can now go into your tools, grab your designs, and actually do things for you. Okay, now for the second layer of the cake, skills. This is where it gets really interesting. If connectors are the tools, think of skills as the step-by-step instructions, the recipes, that tell Claude how to use those tools. A skill is just a workflow you can use over and over again. For instance, you could create a skill like, hey, check my Gmail for anyone asking for a meeting, then go into my Google Calendar and schedule it.
And finally, the top layer of our cake, plugins. You can think of these as the finishing touch, the frosting that brings it all together. A plugin is like an umbrella that groups a bunch of different skills and connectors for a specific department. So you could install a marketing plugin or a finance plugin, and suddenly you've unlocked all these specialized commands and workflows designed just for that job.
Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. Do I need to be a coder? Nope. Creating a skill is ridiculously easy. You literally just start a chat with Claude and say, create with Claude. You tell it what you want, like a skill for writing LinkedIn posts. It'll then ask you a few questions. What's your niche? What's your style? And then, this is the magic part, it writes all the technical stuff for you in the background. You just hit save, and you've got a custom skill ready to go. Okay, so we've got the structure down. Now let's talk about where the real magic happens. This brings us to one of the absolute coolest new features, scheduled tasks. This is the point where Claude stops being a tool you have to command and starts becoming an automated assistant that works for you 24/7.
In this example just says it all. You can literally tell Claude, every day at 10 a.m., I want you to research the latest AI news, write up a summary, and save it as a draft in my Gmail. And that's it. You wake up in the morning and your personalized AI news report is just sitting there waiting for you. And the best part? You don't need Zapier or Make or any other tool. It's all built right in.
Now, let's switch gears for a minute. Everything we've discussed so far happens inside what Anthropic calls Claude Cowork, and it's designed for everybody. But there's a whole other universe built just for developers. So if you write code, listen up. Let's talk about Claude Code.
So just to be super clear on the difference, Cowork is the friendly app we've been looking at. Claude Code, on the other hand, is a serious tool that installs directly into a developer's command line terminal. It lets them talk to Claude in the same environment where they write their code.
And Claude Code just got some absolutely huge updates. There's a remote control feature, which is wild. You can actually keep a coding session going from your phone. It can now automatically scan your entire code base for security flaws, but the really mind-blowing thing is something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This is a total game changer.
Okay, so MCP. It sounds technical, I know, but what it does is amazing.
Essentially, it lets Claude connect securely to other AI servers from other companies. The best example is with the design tool Figma. A front-end developer can now connect to a Figma server, paste in a link to a design, and Claude Code will instantly spit out the fully functional code. The gap between a design and a working product just vanished.
All right, let's pull back from the world of coding, because even if you're not a developer, you're going to start seeing Claude pop up in the tools you use for work every single day. This power is becoming accessible to everyone.
Need to build a complex financial model in Excel? Well, now you can just install Claude as an add-on and tell it what to do. Dreading making that presentation? You can use it right inside PowerPoint to generate slides from a simple idea. It's even being integrated natively into Slack, so you can do research without ever leaving your conversation. You can even connect it to health apps. It's starting to show up everywhere.
So when you take a step back and look at the big picture, it's so clear. What we're looking at is not a chatbot anymore. Claude has become a genuine, integrated work platform. It connects your apps, it learns your personal workflows, and it automates your most boring tasks. This is fundamentally changing what we think of as work.
And that brings us to a really powerful and maybe a little bit unsettling final thought. For years, the big conversation has been about AI taking our jobs, but maybe we've been looking at it all wrong. The real risk isn't that AI will take your job, it's that a person who knows how to use these tools will. The fear shouldn't be about being replaced by AI, it should be about becoming unemployable because you didn't adapt.
You know, for a long time, humans have been creating AI, but we're now at a point where AI is starting to create AI. In fact, some parts of the user-friendly Claude app were actually built using the developer version Claude Code. The world is moving faster than ever before, so the only question left to ask is, are you keeping up?